Hey everyone, petrol heads and dreamers alike, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of automotive royalty, the Aston Martin DB9. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of design, a symphony of speed, and a ticket to open-air exhilaration. Performance beneath that sculpted bonnet lies a 5.9-liter V12. A symphony of power that unleashes 450 horses with every snarl of the exhaust. This isn't just fast, it's an experience. Feel the G-force pin you to your seat as you rocket from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Hear the engine roar a primal scream as you chase the horizon. The DB9 isn't just a car, it's a living, breathing testament to automotive passion. But it's not all about raw power. The DB9 handles like a dream, dancing through corners with the grace of a ballerina. The perfectly weighted steering whispers feedback through your fingertips, letting you feel every nuance of the road. This is a car that begs to be pushed, that rewards skillful driving with an intoxicating blend of adrenaline and control. Interior: step inside the DB9 and prepare to be enveloped in automotive opulence. Every surface is a tactile feast. From the buttery softness of the leather seats to the cool touch of the aluminum trim, the craftsmanship is simply sublime, a testament to Aston Martin's dedication to bespoke luxury. But this isn't just a rolling living room. The DB9's interior is designed for the driver. The cockpit is a symphony of ergonomics, with everything positioned perfectly for intuitive control. And while it's undeniably luxurious, there's a sense of sportiness here too. The snug seats hold you firm. The steering wheel feels like an extension of your arms, and the gearshift begs to be snicked through the gates. Exterior: let's step back and feast our eyes on this automotive masterpiece. The DB9's design is timeless, a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. The long, low lines ooze effortless cool, while the muscular haunches hint at the power lurking beneath. The signature Aston Martin grille is a badge of honor, a symbol of British automotive heritage. And those taillights, like smoldering rubies, are unforgettable. The Aston Martin DB9 is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a reminder that driving can be an art form, a dance between man and machine. It's a statement of individuality, a symbol of success and style. So, if you're looking for the ultimate grand touring experience, look no further than the DB9. It's not just a car, it's a legend,